According to China EV Post, CATL's share in China's electric vehicle battery market dropped by 10.29 percentage points in March, while BYD's share surged by 9.04 percentage points. China installed 35.0 gigawatt-hours of power batteries in March, marking a 25.8% increase year-on-year and a 94.6% rise from February. CATL led with 15.54 gigawatt-hours installed, though its market share fell to 44.87%. BYD followed with 9.28 gigawatt-hours, boosting its share to 26.79% thanks to a 147.29% increase in its new energy vehicle sales in March. CATL Energy ranked third and fourth, with market shares of 6.66% and 5.24%, respectively. Lithium ternary battery capacity stood at 11.3 gigawatt-hours, while lithium iron phosphate LFP batteries reached 23.6 gigawatt-hours in March. In the global EV battery market from January to February 2024, CATL held 38.4%, and BYD had 13.1%. You are listening to Yuan News.